this is Ishanji Sharma, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. And this is my first video, so I'm really excited. So without any further ado, let's begin. Go to the website, type canva.com. After creating an account and sign up, go to create a design and type YouTube thumbnail. Now you can see there's a blank page in which you can start making a thumbnail. To add a background color, click on the thumbnail and choose from the background color. As you can see, there's many colors in the color palette. You can choose any. You can also choose a grading color. I like this. I'll choose this. Now, to add pictures and logos, you can go to Elements. As you can see, there's many pictures and logos. I'm going to choose the Canva logo. Just drag and drop. To fill it up, I'm going to choose a YouTube logo too. Now, to add text, you can go to the text option. There's again so many options from which you can choose from. You can also add a sentence by clicking on add a heading. Delete it and type thumbnail tutorial in Canva. You can also change the font size, color and also the font. I'm going to choose the font color as white. And I can also change the font. As you can see, there are many font options. The crown ones are for the pro subscription. But free ones are also very nice. I'm going to choose this as this is my favorite. To add a bit more text, I can choose any text from below, and then I also delete it. This tutorial is super easy, so I'm going to type super easy. Just wait, let me type it. Done. Perfect. We can also resize it by clicking on that option. Yes. Now I want to upload my logo and a picture of myself. So I go to uploads. I've already uploaded. I have already uploaded my logo. So I just choose it, drag it and draw. I've created my logo. In the next video, I'll show you how to create one. To upload logos and pictures, you can click on upload media and device from your laptop. Now I'm going to just drag and drop. As you can see, I've removed the background. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to remove background without Photoshop. So let me just reset, and our thumbnail is ready. Did you see how easy it was to create YouTube thumbnail in Canva? Hope you found this video helpful. Do subscribe, like and share my video. Bye bye. See you then.